We are crossing all across Europe. Good morning and namaskar. I am Joyce Das. Today is the day 6 of our European tour and we are traveling from Heidelberg to Titsy. On the way, we will pass by the Black Forest and Heidelberg Castle. Later, visit Titsy Lake and Druba Cuckoo Clock Factory. Then head to Rhine Falls in Switzerland, Switzerland. So stay tuned and enjoy this tour. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. Heidelberg is a beautiful city located in southwestern Germany. The city is well known for its picturesque settings along the Neckar River. The Neckar River flows through Heidelberg, Germany, offers stunning views of the Heidelberg Castle and Old Town. An iconic stone bridge spans the Neckar River. It is popular for boat tours and riverside walks. It offers excellent photo opportunities with the castle and hill in the background. The Heidelberg Castle majestically sits on the hill overlooking the town of Heidelberg. Heidelberg Castle is one of the most famous and romantic ruins in Germany. It was destroyed and rebuilt many times. Now we are traveling towards Titsy. Titsy is a charming spa town on the northern shore, offering wellness therapies, cozy cafes and restaurants, cuckoo clocks and family attractions. I am walking through the Titsy. It is a beautiful looking Titsy town in Germany. So, we are walking towards Titsy Lake. Lake Titsy is a stunning glacier lake located in the southern Black Forest region of Germany, formed during the last ice age. I am here at the Titsy Glacier Lake. Enjoy the view through the telescope placed on the lake is the best way to view the distant scenery. The lake stretches approximately 1.9 kilometers in length and 0.75 kilometers in width with a maximum depth of around 40 meters. It's a beautiful lake with scenic walking path around it. We are walking towards the Druba Clock Factory. The Druba family has been in clock making business for many years and has become a popular destination for tourists eager to learn about the legacy of German horology. Each cuckoo clock is a masterpiece in its own right. The cuckoo clocks reflect the theme of nature and rural life. Their clocks are certified as Black Forest clocks, handcrafted, and often come with a 2 years guarantee and global service.
On that price.
We have come here for lunch at Rangoli Indian restaurant. Our next destination is the Rhine Falls, Switzerland, which is Europe's most popular waterfall, situated on the high Rhine River near Schaffhausen, stretching over the cantons of Schaffhausen and Zurich. The best time to visit the falls is from April to June when water flows from the mountain snow peaks. It's open to the public all year and platforms can be accessed 24/7. There we see the rain falls. Boats run in the warmer months, arrive before 10 a.m. to avoid the crowds, especially in the summer.
Rhinefalls
Switzerland.
Make sure that you wear waterproof layers if you are taking a boat ride or going close to the water. We have stopped here for a coffee break. So our next destination is Zurich, Switzerland. Tomorrow we will be visiting the Mount Titlis, and we will take the cable car with the ice flare. So don't miss the tomorrow's video. We'll be staying in holiday in Zurich, Switzerland. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and relatives. That will help me to grow my channel. Thanks for watching.